How to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month, and you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search. And for that, we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to Fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service instead of you delivering it. So let's get started by showing you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can apply this method. So here, open your favorite browser, then open Google Maps in your browser and wait for it to load. Then go to the search and type the United States, and that's the country we're going to use in today's application or in today's method. And also it's the best market where you can apply this method. And here, zoom in on the United States. Let's choose a city or a state that we are going to apply this method to. So here we can go for example, let's go here to Maine. Let's zoom in on Maine. Let's go here to Bangor, for example, or Newport. Let's go to Newport, or we can go to Bangor. Let's go to Bangor, for example. Here, let's zoom in on this city, and here let's go to the search again and type whatever kind of small business you'd like to search for. But before we search for the profiles of the small businesses, the first thing I want you to know is we are going to offer 3 different services to the small business owners. And as I said in the beginning, you won't need any skill to deliver those 3 services. We will just land the client, get them to pay us for the services, then we will hire freelancers from freelancing platforms to deliver the service instead of us. So here we are going to offer, the first service is website creation. So we are going to check the profiles of the business owners in Google Maps and see if there is a website. If there is none, we are going to offer to create one for them. And if they have a website, we are going to check the website if it's still up to date or not. If it's not, we are going to suggest to renovate the website for them. And then the second service we're going to offer them is removing bad reviews from their profile in Google Maps as well. And the third service is managing their accounts in social media, which is Facebook and Instagram accounts. So let's get started by choosing a type of small businesses like auto repair garages, for example. And here we will be able to see all of the nearest auto repair garages in this area. Here you can see their profiles and every detail about them. So here, in order to find the best profiles to reach out to, the ones that have the highest rate of responding to our messages or our calls, are the ones that are small with no sponsored written in their profile and also with less than 150 reviews, like this one here, for example, Bennett Auto Center. So let's check their first profile to see if their website is up to date or needs renovations, if they have some bad reviews, and to check if we can offer them the 3 services or just 1 or 2. So here, let's scroll down and let's start with the website, Bennett Auto Center. Here, let's open their website and let's wait for it to load. So here it seems like the website is very old. As you can see, old colors, old design, old pictures, so everything in this website is old. So we are going to offer them to renovate their website. So here, as you can see, even old car symbols. So we are going to offer them to renovate their website as the first service. Then let's close this and let's move on to the second one, which is finding some bad reviews that we can remove for them. So here, just from the review summary, you will notice that they have some 2-star and 1-star reviews. So let's find these 1-star and 2-star reviews. So let's scroll down, go to view to more reviews. And here let's scroll down again. Let's scroll down until we find the 1 star and the 2 star reviews, because that's what we're going to use in order to convince them to buy our service. Here, scroll down. We are still in the 5 star reviews. Still looking, and here we are. We have our first 1 star review. It's from a year ago. The tech and service writer completely ignored my instructions on how to operate a vehicle with an ignition interlock device, and my vehicle went into lockout when I tried to get someone to call the interlock company with me and explain so I wouldn't be charged $350 or in more legal trouble for their mistake. I was met with Mr. Bennett's finger in my face. He told me it's not my fault when your radio station presets are changed. It's not my fault if your seat is moved in, and it's not my fault you went out and got and we in Arizona. I was without a vehicle for Christmas and charged a heavy lockout fee, but thank you for my $80 back and your ignorance judgments. I have spent the last 5 years warning people about Bennett Auto. So here, this is a very bad review for this garage. It seems like even the owner he mentioned the owner as well in his bad review, and he mentioned how they treated him very badly. So this gives a very bad reputation to the business, and also it will take clients away from them, and it will also take future clients away from them as well. So you can just mention all of these things in our message that we're going to send them, or in our pitch, or when we call them. We're going to mention this bad review, and we're going to talk about the benefits that will come with removing this bad review. So for example, if we convince those business owners to pay us $100 or $200 in order to renovate their website, so for example, let's say $200 for the renovation of their website and $100 for removing the bad reviews, so that is a total of $300. So we'll just go to fiverr.com. Here, let's go to fiverr.com. It's where we are going to find freelancers that are going to deliver those services instead of us for only $105. 25 for removing the bad reviews and 80 for renovating the website. So here you can renovate the website for 80, remove the bad reviews for 25, and that's $105 in total, and you will be left with, you will take the lift in your pocket. So that is our business model for today, guys. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.